All right, welcome everybody, welcome to the video today. Overcast day. We'll take it though, it's supposed to rain today. See, Brian's there, we're just finishing this job up. You guys come along with us today, we'll show you what we got going on. I think we're gonna make it till about noon, 1 o'clock, something like that. It's supposed to rain, a lot of rain this afternoon. It should be good next couple days. So we'll show you guys how we get cedar hedge trimmed here in Canada. I'll get it, I thought you were done. I only got one more. Welcome everybody to the video today. Overcast day, gonna rain starting around lunchtime. Gonna bring you guys along with us, show you guys how we trim cedar hedges here in Canada. Our hedges are made of cedar. I know like you guys in England and United Kingdom and all that have different kind of hedges. Us, we have cedar hedges. So I'll bring you guys along with us, show you guys what we got going on. See this apple tree here, we cut this, I don't know if we did it last year or 2 years ago. See how it came out really nice? Looks really, really good. All right, you guys come along with us. All right, we just got to the next one. We're just finishing up here. I'll show you guys. Sam, sit. Ça ici. Puis les deux arbustes là-bas. Ça ici. All right, just show you guys here. Just want to get Sam to do that right there. Pretty big job. I think we've been doing it here for about 15 years. It's been a long, long time. All right. All right. We cut the wrong bush. They wanted us to cut a bush. They put this rope here. And we cut the wrong one. It's all dead on me. It's all dead. I'll put it here so that they can see it. Stuff like that happens. Never really happened to us before, but we'll fix it up. Alright, I'll show you guys as we go along here. I cut the wrong little bush because we grabbed the bush that was dead. There's one that's like, it's not dead but halfway dead. But you can see that it was still growing. All right. All right, we stopped working. Look at the rain, look at it fall. So what we, the last job where we cut the wrong shrub. So I called the client, told the client, so the only thing you can do is nothing else you can do. I called them, let them know. I told them, listen, the guy cut the wrong shrub. If you guys want to replace it, we'll pay for it. That's all what you can do. There's nothing else you can do. Feel bad about it. All right, so this is the place where we cut the wrong shrub. It stopped raining, so we got to come back, get the stump. There's a little stump there. The shrub we cut, kind of rotten, but still it's our error. We're the ones that didn't do it right, so we offered the client to buy them a new one. We'll see how that works out. All right, so that's still touching up there on top, so we'll have to come back, fix that. That's stuff that happens. All right, so we'll clean up on top there, up on the roof. If I would have known, I would have brought a truck that could do that, or brought a ladder with a trimmer. I asked the guys if it was okay, and they said yeah. Obviously it wasn't. All right, so we'll come back and get that. Look at the setup this guy's got. He's got this great big chicken wire fence here. So the deer can't get in, he says. So the deer can't get in on his land. Sorry about that, customer wanted to pay me. Yeah, he's got the old chicken wire. Even over on the other side there, he's got that set up. Isn't that something? Well, we're in another project this morning. You can see the grass is all wet. The cedar wet, just the dew, because it hasn't warmed up that much. It's like only 8 degrees this morning. 8 degrees is like 46. It's gonna warm up though to around 14 today. It's about 58. I'll go show you guys over on the other side what's going on. Yeah, so yesterday we left one of our extensions on somebody's land. We haven't found it yet. We checked the last 6 jobs just in case, and we didn't find it. Look at this stuff fall. It's coming down. It's coming down. Yeah, one of these yesterday. We usually count them after every job just to make sure. We keep, I think we have, must have around 20, but each truck is counted. Anyway, well, it'll come up. I'll just put another one in the rotation. I imagine a customer will call us. They can't do anything with it. All right, let's head over to the next one. As I'm looking around from this customer we just finished, I can see we do that one right there, that one right there, this one right here, and the other one over on the other corner there. I just thought I'd share this with you guys. We do all of them. All right. Show you guys here. Look at this front lawn. Isn't that a thing of beauty? They should just have grass. Look across the street how nice that looks. I guess they each their own. Oh, we just finished this one up here. 3 neighbors. This one in here wanted us to cut it tight. That means to cut it severe. That's as tight, as short as we can cut it. Yeah, that's as short as we'll cut that. I told him we can't cut it like here. I go, you did this here. You took too much off, that won't come back. Still sprinkling, not even supposed to be any rain today. I can still feel sprinkles on me. All right. I'll show you guys when we leave here. We have a customer we usually do down the street here. We do some nice big trees for them. They got some guys in there doing it today instead of us. Usually we've been doing it probably 10, 12 years. Got some guys with step ladders doing it. Must be save a couple bucks. Wait till you guys see this when we drive by. Look at them trying to get up there. All right, I'm gonna go along here, show you guys. We're just finishing this one up here, north part of town. On the right hand side, really wide. That part over there, crazy wide, crazy wide. All right, let me grab the ladder here, bring it back. I'll go show you guys on the other side what it looks like. Just fix up this bush. Yeah, so you guys saw a little while ago we were doing a place there. So they got a pool right there. The hedge is almost in the pool. I'll show you guys. Yeah, we were doing that job, and one of the neighbors that we usually do, they have some big trees to make up around. We use the boom vans, you know, as usual. See, they had gotten somebody with step ladders. I don't know why people would do that. I guess they just do it to save money. Maybe they didn't have the extra money this year, and a company like that will come in and try to do it step ladder. They'll have a hard time doing that. Yeah, see, you got the pool. They haven't started the pool yet though. Little room, but not much room to put a ladder here. Usually we did this side, but they didn't want to this year. I guess they're cutting in the budget. It happens. Some years don't have quite as much money. We understand. We've all been through stuff like that. The land is wet, it's soggy. It's misting this morning, it isn't that warm. Supposed to be sunny tomorrow though. We'll enjoy it tomorrow. Look at the lawn, look how long it is. Pool's not started. We're pulling out some bushes. They got it. Must have went through a couple chains though. Looks like a lot of dirt in that. All right, let's head over to the next one. Son, 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 where are you, son? Ready? All right, I gotta show you guys this one here. We're just finishing up. Look how high that is. And we have no room for any boom vans or anything here, so we cannot do the top. No bueno on the top, but we can do the side. Fix that side up. It's some new job we just picked up. So only the side, no top. I don't know anybody could do the top without being able to get a van in here or some kind of a little lift. I'll go show you guys on the other side. Not the most sunniest day today, that's for sure. All right, we got these ones here to do too. That one right there, this thing here, we'll try to do something with it. Can't do much. Clothesline is down, but it was already down. We didn't do that. Got newer stuff out back here. Just wanted to show you guys how much we're taking off over there. I'll go do up on top of the garage. Couple chickens running around here. All right, guys, don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you guys want to, or subscribe. We'll see you guys next one. Enjoy, bring you guys along with us. See you guys. Adios, amigos.